All right, so let's talk about the JJRC H345. It's a true two-drone set. We've got the JJ1, which is the Spark-looking drone, and the JJ2, which is the Mavic-looking drone. They're both tiny little quads. They both fold up. They both fit in the palm of your hand, and they both fly on the same remote controller. So let's get these things in the air and show you how they work. First, show you what's in the box. Open it up here, and you have, of course, charger, some props, the remote controller, and two tiny little drones. Let's take a look at JJ1 first. This looks a whole lot like a tiny, tiny little Spark. There is no camera. There is no altitude hold. You're going to push those arms out until you kind of feel a click. Now, keep in mind, you bump into a wall, you're going to have to readjust those arms because they're not locked into place. Now, take a look at JJ2. This is the little mini Mavic. Same thing. You're going to fold those arms out. You're going to feel a little, almost like a little click there. Then you know they're into place. But again, remember, you bump or crash, you're going to want to readjust the arms. You got some lights in the front, some LEDs on both of them. Palm-sized, fun from JJRC. Now, to get these things started, pretty standard. You turn on the remote control. You're going to turn on the drone after that. Little switch in the back. You're going to set it down. You're going to do an up-down on the throttle. You can see that it then is paired, and then you can fly. The buttons on the left control your speed, and the buttons on the right will make it flip. There is a headless mode and a return to home, which I highly recommend you do not ever use. So first, we're going to do some little bit of flying here with the JJ2. This is the Mavic-looking drone, and then we'll do some flying with the JJ1, the Spark-looking drone. They both pretty quick, pretty nimble. The yaw is a little bit slow, at least for my taste. As you can see, they're not spinning super fast. They do push button flips, which is a lot of fun. So I'm going to stop talking here and let you enjoy these two little drones zipping around. Hey, make sure that you check us out on halfchrome.com. We've got lots of information on these two drones and more, as well as some cool codes and discounts and things like that, if you like things like that. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that button there, and check us out on halfchrome.com.